Hey there, I'm Matt. I built a commercial cleaning company into the multi-seven figures in less than 5 years and on less than 10 hours a week. So if you asked me how I would get customers really fast, and great customers, not cheap, low priced, or unsustainable customers, or ones that aren't going to be stable for the long run, this is what I would do. And that's what we're going to cover in this video. There's 4 things that I would do to get customers really fast. The first thing that I would do is I would enhance my offer. Now there's 3 parts to an actual offer when it comes to your commercial cleaning services. The first part is the productizing of your services. Then the second part is the actual offer itself, any special things you want to accompany with your services. And the third part is your risk removal, which is called your guarantee. So that first part of enhancing my cleaning services offer is the productizing of my cleaning services. What does productizing mean? It means that we're going to make it sound like a product that we can pull off the shelf. Now that's not the technical term or the technical definition for productizing, but what we want to do is give a specific client the idea that there's this consistent product they can pull off the shelf, plug into their facility, and they're going to get expected, consistent, and anticipated results from that cleaning service. So now let's get really practical with it. If we're going to productize our cleaning services to appeal to fitness facilities, we need to give the actual cleaning service product and result a specific name. We don't just want to say that we are a cleaning service and we can take care of your facility. We want to give it a name, something like this: Shining Gym Program. So they're going to get a piece of your marketing material, or they're going to hear you talking about this with them, and you'd be saying, yeah, become a part of our Shining Gym Program. This is what we do as a part of the Shining Gym Program. Here's what you can expect with our Shining Gym Program that's designed just for you and your fitness facility and to help you retain your customers longer. See the appeal to that? It sounds like a product that's designed just for them that they can pull right off the shelf. Now, something else you can do to help with this productization of your cleaning services is you can also add in unique aspects that you want to call out about that service that appeals to those gym facilities. So for example, in a daycare, they might really want you to wipe down all the tables every single time. As opposed to a gym, you can talk about how you will wipe down and sanitize all the equipment every single time. Just the changes in those words from tables to equipment can help call out the difference that they can expect with you. Now it's obvious, right? Whenever we're thinking about it, but to them, in your marketing material, in your conversation, when the program has a name or the method has a name, and then you list out unique bullet points about what they can expect with this unique cleaning service that's designed just for them, it's going to help draw you in as the expert that they want to work with. So that's the first part of enhancing our offer. Now let's actually get to the second part, the actual offer itself. Now, when I say this offer, what I mean is we want to offer something extra as an incentive. We want to help them make the decision to choose us. And again, we're talking about getting clients fast here, right? So what I would do is I would say, we're going to do a complete reset clean. It's this value, but we're not going to charge you a dime for it. Or we're going to do this certain project work. It might be window cleaning. It could be floor strip and wax. It could be carpet cleaning. It could be some sort of deep equipment cleaning that's going on in a fitness facility scenario, or anything else that might appeal to the type of facility that you're working with and that you want to win over as a customer. What you want to do is make a special offer to accompany your program that's going to appeal even more to them. So now they're going to feel very special because you have a specific method or program that's designed just for them. Plus you're giving them this really sweet deal on beginning services with you. You're making them feel very special. And since we're moving at a fast pace to win customers, with your offer that you're giving them, you can also include a time element. So for example, you could say this is just available for summer or spring, or for the next 1 month only. Or you can say only for this many new clients or new facilities. Add some sort of limiting factor to it so that whenever they do decide to pull your product or service off the shelf and look at it, whether that's through talking to you, having you do a quote, or they're looking at your material, they know that there's a limiting factor, and if they want it, they need to move on it. So add some sort of limitation to it that will incentivize them. The back end of that is you got to be aware that you need to honor that limitation, at least for such amount of time, right? If you really do stop offering a special deal after a month, you need to stop offering that special deal after a month, or that could come back on your reputation. But it's a very good way, if we're talking about a limited time and we want customers fast, it can really help bring energy and people moving quickly to become your cleaning clients. What's the third part? The third part is the guarantee. This is where we're going to remove the risk of choosing us, because if we're new, and even if we're experienced, if we don't have as many references in the space, they want to feel safe about choosing us. So when we make a specific guarantee, it's going to show that we're confident in our ability to provide their hoped services and results for them, but also it's going to help them feel safe in case anything does not go according to plan. Here's a couple ideas for guarantees. You can do a money back. Send them on a date night after giving them their money back. You can do a 1 hour, we fix it or your money back type guarantee if there's anything reported to you, anything like that, to help them see that you are completely confident in your ability to resolve any issues, to make sure that they are taken care of and that they're happy. So when you combine all of those things, the productization of your cleaning service, the special offer that's going to be accompanied with your commercial cleaning services for them, and then your guarantee so that they can trust that your commercial cleaning services are going to be fulfilled, and if they're not fulfilled, then it's going to be taken care of and they're not going to have to worry about anything. So that's everything that we need to do in order to enhance our offer and to help incentivize this next methods that we're going to do for all those customers to choose us very quickly. So that was the first of the 4 things that I would do. Now that we are ready and we know how to productize our service, have a special offer, do a guarantee, add time bound to it, then I would do a niche. I would go after one specific type of facility or customer. If I'm an existing commercial cleaning company, I would go after, say, all of the daycares in my market. As one batch, I would create that one productized service, go after all of them and target exactly where do they go? How do they look for cleaning services? Are they a part of any groups? And just go straight to them and say, we specialize in serving you. We have a program that's designed for you. What's going to happen is they're going to talk because they're going to feel called out and like there's someone out there that is specifically designed to support them. You're going to build a lot more momentum if you go after a niche. Again, we're talking about getting customers fast in the short term. You could also do this if you're a newer cleaning business. You could name your business the specific client type that you want to go after. So you could call it reliable restaurant cleaning services or quality daycare cleaning services. Again, that's going to limit you to that niche, but if you want clients fast and if that market is big enough in the city or town that you're in, you could spend a lot of time and get into even the 7 figures just in one niche if you completely take that over. In some markets, you might even be able to get into the 8 figures depending on how good you are at following through with caring for your niche. And niching is actually exactly what I did when I first started my commercial cleaning business, because I went after just medical facilities in my market. Out of the thousands of facilities that I could go after, which is very overwhelming to think about, I was able to pick out a specific type of medical facility, which ones I wanted to go after, which ones were too big for now or even too small for now, and start marketing bit by bit to the ones that I really wanted. And it helped me focus and have a really tailored message and a cleaning program designed to win them over as customers. So instead of falling into all the noise of the competition that's out there in the broad market, focus in, niche down in whichever way you choose, whether that's your company name as well or not, or you productize and you move that way, whichever way you want to go, be sure to pick targets. It's going to be easier on you to process, it's going to be easier on you to follow through, and it's going to get a lot more attention because they're going to start talking to each other about you because they know that you are specialized just for them. Now that we've enhanced our offer and we've niched down, number 3 is we can become a gift that somebody can give. What that looks like is this. If you already have some commercial cleaning contracts and clients that are in place, you can go straight to them and tell them we would like to be a gift that you can give away to someone that runs a facility. If you want to give away a spring cleaning and show a friend some love, we'll go do that spring cleaning for free for them. Now, be ready for your customer if they also want something special for themselves. That's up to you to navigate, but you can become a gift that they can give that makes them look good within their network and their contacts. Then you get to get in for free and you get to ride their reference. If you want to make this even more powerful, you can actually do this in that niched way we just talked about. You can say, do you know of any fitness facilities? We have this new program, we have this new offer just for them. It's running for a limited time. We would like to give your reference a priority over the big line that's going to be developing here soon. And what will happen is they're likely going to be very excited to give away the gift that you're offering, and you're going to be able to make a lot more connections really quickly. But what if you don't have any commercial cleaning clients just yet? You can do this very same thing with your network, with your friends, with your family, anyone else that you know, but also you can do this with any other service providers or any other businesses that provide products and services to the facilities that you want to be in. You can approach them and tell them we're running a special promotion for this type of facility, or you can just say we're running this general special promotion and we would like to offer your clients this special deal that can only be had through you. That way, they can make an email announcement or do calls, or they can tell their salespeople to add it to their offer temporarily, and you'll get tons of attraction through something like that. You do want to be sure that you limit your space and your capacity to what you can handle. You don't want to book 100 cleanings in a single night, right? So you do want to make sure that you are clear about your qualifications and that you do qualify anyone that does sign up and want to receive the cleaning. You also want to pick the type of facilities that are likely going to want and be interested in using your cleaning services after that special offer, because this is going to get you in the door, it's going to get you in front of the decision maker, it's going to start a conversation, and you're going to be able to follow that up with even more information about this special program you've put together. That way that they are really, really liking you at this point, and it gets you a very high trust factor in their eyes. But on top of that, we can do something else as well. And this works if you have a newer cleaning business, a multi-million-dollar commercial cleaning business already. You can do digital ads. I would encourage you to get the immediate results that digital ads have to offer. What I mean by that is Google ads or Yelp ads. Instead of showing up and waiting for your profile to work its way through the organic results, which is great because it's free, you can actually pay for you to show up an ad whenever people are looking for commercial cleaning services or janitorial services, whatever search terms that you want to target. So if possible, I would do both of those to tap into that actively hot and searching market and capture as many of those leads as I possibly can. Now, these 4 things that I would do on how to get as many commercial cleaning customers as possible within 30 days are not the only things that can be done. Check out the website, commercialcleaningsceo.com, for some more free tools to help you grow your business even faster. My name is Matt. I built my commercial cleaning company in under 5 years to over 7 figures on less than 10 hours a week worth of effort. Like this video if you thought it was helpful, subscribe, and stay tuned because more's coming. Until next time, keep building.